Oh, my fucking bike is in there. Shit. Thank you. Excuse me. Alright. MT07. That's how they all sound. There we go. Let's get it. Oh, I miss riding my bike, man. I didn't ride it for like an afternoon. Oh, it feels smooth, sexy little bitch. Yeah. Okay, well, I don't know why they're taking their time. Let's go over here. Right, let's go over here. Can I go around? Let's not run anyone over. Excuse me. Shut up, Jennifer. What's going on there? Right, my friend, I want to go past. I want to go vroom past you, but I can't because you're waiting for the damn. Oh, come on. I could go through there, yeah, but if I go through there, people think I'm crazy. If I go through the middle, they think I'm even more crazy. So what do? Nothing. I take my time. What you looking at? Noddy. Hurry up. Where are you indicating? Excuse me, sir. Don't say me here. You can't say me. Oh, hurry up. Are you turning? No, you're not indicating. Hurry up. These taxi drivers, man. Why do you take so long? Oh, you're so long. Bloody hell. Taking forever, bruv. Told you. That's exactly what it sounds like. What the fuck? Somebody lost something. Jeez. Oh shit. Oh, he's more smart than me. He's smarter than me. It's a she. Is that a she? I don't know. They're smarter than me. They, them, plus combined, non-binary. Oh, is she though? She's still stuck. Is she? No, you're not, bitch. I'm kind of shouting. There she is. That's illegal. Illegal. What are you doing? She's going on the wrong side of the road, guys. She's going. I can't. Listen. Listen, yeah. Listen, yeah. I should have followed her. That's what I'm thinking. Because now I look like a noob. I look like a noob waiting behind the bus like an absolute noob. Where is she? She's gone. Yeah, love. And now he's oh, don't stop. Excuse me. Yep, love. Excuse me. Thank you. There she is. You didn't go that far. Cheeky. True. Nice little drift. Yeah. It is what it is. Apparently Ace is going to be crazy today, so we're going to Ace right now. Apparently Ace is going to be peppered with police. We'll see. I'm not bothered. I am legal. I'm very legal. As legal as they come, so, well, so to speak. So, let's see. Go on, love. Cheers. I bet it's so annoying having me behind someone. Like all of this unnecessary noise just going crazy. Tires, do me justice. Whee! Whoa. I don't actually know if the sound is going to be good with the visor open. What if it's not? Well, if it's not, I don't actually care because I ride with my visor open. Now what? That's crazy. You go that way, I go this way. Why? Just to piss you off. Screw. That's it, double nod. Very loud, yeah. At least everyone else can hear me. I lied, that's not why. I just like being loud. You know, like a noose. Noose? Is that a word? Noose. That definitely doesn't sound like the right word. Anyways, I'm that guy. This guy's up his ass, isn't it? Is that Popo? No, that's not Popo. We good, we good. Right. Now, coming this way, coming that way, coming this way, coming that way. Oh yeah, still this way, coming that way. Alright. Really good. Ba 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 da. See, that's crazy. You see the memes where people just like, oh, so what's going through your head right now? Bitch, nothing. Nothing. I'm just waffling. And that's the beauty of it all. Do you know what I mean? You sit at a traffic light, you're looking at that red thinking, why is it so round? Like, why? I don't know. Man just waffles. That's it. Preach. What the hell is that? What the hell? Let's see. Let's find out. What the hell? That looks cool as hell. I'd say. That looks so cool. Oh, I love that. Oh no. Alright, I don't know if it's just me, yeah? Every time you come to traffic, you have to open your visor. It's like, alright, you know what the equivalent of it is? You know when you're driving your car, yeah? What the hell? You know when you're driving your car, yeah? And you're looking for parking space, or you're about to park. You know how you turn your volume down? Well, that's exactly the same thing for me. For me, you put your visor up and you're going to focus mode. Don't ask me why, I don't know. It just is. It just is. Also guys, as per usual, I mean there's a disclaimer at the beginning anyways, don't do what I do, do what I say, sometimes. Maybe don't do what I say either, it is what it is. Up to you, not my responsibility. Just don't ride like me. I'm comfortable, I do what I do, you know what I mean, I ride to my ride, if that makes any sense. So, just one of that minute. Do you, and you'll be alright. When you see people doing a madness, don't do a madness. Stick to you. If you want to go and do a madness, and you know what you're doing, cool. Do your thing. If you're not comfortable in doing a madness, and you're just trying to do it to show off, bad idea, bruv. Don't be that guy. Or that girl. Just don't be that person, innit? Because most of the time, it doesn't end well. And you end up getting someone else, you know, involved, which is just not needed. So that's it, man. Perfect example is wheeling and stuff and filtering. If you can't keep up with certain people, that's okay. You don't see me lift my front wheel. The amount of bloody people that I ride with, that I'll probably say 80% of the time have their front wheel up, you know. Rude. Whoa. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah. So you know, it's just Rue, man. Rue needs to calm down. Rue's crazy. Man said MT09. Man goes, BOW! That's just Rue. Man will just rev it a little bit. His weapon, that's not even a machine, that's a weapon. MT09 that he's got. The thing just goes crazy. MT09s are nice. It's one of them bikes, like, I've got a 4-cylinder, right? His bike, it felt just as smooth. Like, I didn't take it for a crazy ride, but I went up and down the road, quick shifter on lock. What am I doing? Anyways, took it up and down the road, quick shifter on lock. Like, bro, the thing was so smooth. It was mad. I was crazy, like, how? And what are you doing? Playing zigzags? I don't know. Anyways, yeah, nice bike. My friend, are you drunk? Are you drunk? Does he even see me? Brother, I don't like this. Slow down. Watch him try and indicate, because he's trying to... Why is he slowing down? Do you get it? Do you get me? Brother, go. I'm letting you go. Are you coming? I knew it. Come, my friend. Come on. You see, you gotta be able to spot behaviors, bruv. Because especially in London, there's so much crappy drivers. Behavior reading is like number 1 to 2 skill of your riding, man. Like this. Come over here real quick. Skip a bit of traffic. Anyways, I'm just trying to shit. But not really though. Like, you gotta be able to read the situation, including drivers. Like some drivers, like him, they wouldn't even indicate. They would have just turned. And it's like a bit crazy because you guys can't, excuse me, because you guys can't see me turn my head to check my blind spots, but I'm doing it. But it's one of them, like, that's just part of it. I don't know. But yeah, man, it's crazy because filtering and stuff like that, one wrong move, or not even wrong, like just one delayed move or anything like that by you or another person around you, and it's you know. Oh, what a beauty! Ciao. Give us a rev. Wanna hear it? Rev it. Yeah. I like that. Woo. That. Wait, I swear there's like an average speed here. I need to flip my camera soon. My camera? What? Flip? What? Flip? I don't even know what I'm talking about. Whoops. Reach. Do it. Bye. Hello, miss. Big dog. Big dog. Big dog. Also, if there's bad police, I'll probably need to chill, innit? Fucking right. I like. They look like police if I've ever seen them. Hello, my friendly police. No, this is not. Okay. Anyone here? No. Alright, so there's just no one here. How do I like that? I probably don't. Hello. Yes, people. Ooh, that's a nice little car. Help me turn this shit off. Press the button for me. I can't see it. The off button.
It's off.
No, it's not. I took off the LEDs.
Oh. The screen's off.
Just tap it.
The screen's
I
off.
took the front screen off as well, save battery. You'll hear it. Did you hear the beep?
It's dead. It must be dead.
No.
Con cualquiera donde sea.